But we both know how this is gonna end up.
Do we?
Yes, we've done the Ash versus
Look, you
Jason.
don't have to. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You'll be fine. Stop! Stop crying. Please, please, just. I didn't even see who you're playing as. Who are you? Oh, Ash.
Ash. Oh no.
One to 0.
Why are you perpetually like hyperventilating and needing to take breaths?
I think there's a dead fly in my keyboard.
In your keyboard?
In my keyboard.
Why did you put him in there?
I didn't.
Well, how did you get there then? Why are you, Lucio? You've been
I
don't
I'm
know.
making bad decisions.
Very.
Select your
This is amazing.
It's not. I'm not getting the same reaction as you are. I'm gonna lose this one if you're with who I think you are.
Why? Who do you
Down.
Who did you think I was? I don't know if this was who you thought.
It was.
Oh my god. You
It was
went
either that or Genji.
Genji and Hanzo just do not like Widowmaker apparently.
No. Oh.
score
Well, that's the perfect.
to 0.
How did you?
Prepare for battle.
No questions, please. No questions.
No flash photography, no question.
I don't want a picture, thank you.
Oh my god. Oh
I have a pen with me, I can't sign any
my
autograph
god.
in the moment. Oh god. I got a few.
Fuck.
Oh, and that's worse.
That's really that word?
It is. I can't aim at you. I need something
Oh,
that's
try.
got an area. I need something that's got an area of effect,
You don't.
at least.
Push on.
Where the hell did you go?
Everywhere and nowhere, baby. Let's get you healed up.
Oh god, I'm gonna lose.
Stop blocking my fist! Come back here.
I fell off of that area.
I see.
I didn't see where I was going and just fell backwards.
Fucking hell. Well then. Stop fucking just please.
I'm scared for eternity.
Of what?
Oh no.
Why are you all knowing?
Because you got the range.
But yeah, but you've got fucking terrifying melee.
So, you got one shot.
Well, it doesn't have to be, it's like multiple shots. It's a few for your shield
You
and then...
Yeah, but you can take one off my shield and then one off me. I've got nowhere to hide if I'm out in the
Depending on
open.
my aim, you know.
Oh, almost fell for that one.
You okay there, buddy?
No. Don't tell me to put one on the other side. No!
Just walk up here! You can destroy it, for God's sake!
Oh yeah, but I can't close up. Otherwise I'll get hit by it. I'm scared. Did I hit you?
No. Oh my god.
There we go. No.
You and your fucking barrier.
Enemy has been revealed.
Oh my god, get rid of this.
You don't move over there.
You've got a shield!
A broken. Well, no, it's not broken anymore, but.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Capture the objective.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. See, I have to resort to your tactics, goddammit.
Did that
Score.
Spider-Man or what?
0. Prepare for battle.
I hate this
Select
game.
No, you don't.
I
You
do.
love it.
I don't. I hate this game.
You just play like a little bit more aggressively when you're doing that, because I had to stay the fuck away from you. Like if you by staying on the other side of it and just keeping your shield up, that just means
I'm too sad
wait.
to do great things.
okay, that's fine.
It might turn into denial and then aggression, so who knows?
Maybe.
I'm
Are you
grieving.
grieving?
I'm grieving.
Why are you who are you playing? I didn't even look. Soldier.
I don't even know, I forgot.
You're playing soldier, buddy.
I missed. Hello.
Howdy.
Score. 6 to 0. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Right, serious face now.
Oh, now you're serious. Wanna
Yeah.
know how I got these scars?
Oh god.
Very serious face.
Fight.
No, I'm gonna keep it serious. I'm serious.
Super serious.
I'm serious. I am very
Make
serious.
it serious.
I
I'm gonna start
will
crying
stop.
halfway through this. I can. Oh.
I'm gonna panic and flee. Ouch! Freaking!
Oh, perfect.
I didn't even have time to cry.
No, that is sad.
Select
It is.
Yeah, Discord messages like fuck. Maybe. Who knows? What are you done with this time?
Oh,
My Dory.
my dude.
Oh, there it is. And there you are. Turret.
Excuse me. Don't touch my turret.
Oh, I don't like your turret.
Come on. Come on. Oh, you.
Get out here, you little shit.
Oh.
8.
I could have won that.
Prepare for battle.
Oh,
Select your hero.
Gosh, maybe I'll do it again. Maybe I'll do it again.
I won't.
Maybe I'll do it again, is what I was saying.
Yeah.
Buddy, bucko.
Yeah.
Did
I'm back to sad.
you ever leave?
No. Oh god.
Fight. Match point.
Nah.
Wimpy May versus Mega Doomfist.
Well, Wimpy May can do a lot, you know. More than you think.
Let's be real here. This is me we're talking about. Level 12 Overwatch hit person versus whoever.
Oh my god, you're fucking ice wall.
He wasn't even the ice wall, I just
I
protected
know
myself.
what you meant.
I'm scared. Whoops.
Oh my god, fine. Be that way. Knocker!
No.
Let's play the game.
No. It's gonna be you because you're the only one that's
Yes,
killed.
but I'm wondering which one it was.
Play of the game.
Oh really? Just a tracer kill?
I think that was with Widowmaker.
Look at that. It's
Yeah.
like the first game.
Oh, yeah. I hate the game. I hate this game.
No, you love it really.
No.
You do.
Damn it, I couldn't even get to level 13 because I got all my experience for the day. Now why are Arunia atting me?